It's finally here. XFMR Lab 2.0 is on the App Store right now. And it teaches, with 6 guided lessons written by me, a working JL. Read it, understand it, check yourself, then wire it in the lab. Dial the tap changer to the right setting, cut the secondary coils over yourself, and watch the voltages follow every move. Walk through the death traps, the wiring that's killed and injured linemen, in a lab and not in the bucket. Build any bank in the sandbox, any voltage, any size, with real physics, live voltages, phasors turning. You can even load it down till it blows. There's 14 bank configurations, quizzes to test yourself, and it finally fits every iPhone and iPad and syncs your progress to your iCloud account if you choose. This is a free update for everyone who already has it. Happy 250th, America.